Hi, today I'm going to show you how to replace rusted out burners in a CharBroil grill. First we want to remove all the stuff on the top here so that we can get at the burners. So there's the grilling surface. Then we got to remove these, I call them deflectors. They just protect the burners from food falling on them. I think they might be used for heat dissipation as well. Now we've got those out, we've got the actual burners down in here. There's little cotter pins on each of these that you have to remove. Sometimes when they're rusted out, they just break off. Pull that out. And then connected on the bottom is the starter. You're going to have to pry that off as well. Alright, and then on Amazon, I just purchased a new kit with new burners, and it also comes with new spark igniters, which I don't know if I'm going to use or not because I don't feel like rewiring those. But you just take the new burners and slip them in. Put the igniter on first. And this is just an aftermarket kit that I bought off of Amazon. I don't know if it's actually a CharBroil brand. It says it's made in China. So these igniters are not fitting very well for some reason. I'm just wondering if maybe they're not the exact right size. I may have to dip into these new ones and use them. Let's see if they go on any easier. My current igniters are working, so I wasn't too concerned about replacing them, but perhaps I will have to anyways. Oh yeah, these new ones fit perfectly. Yeah, so these must be the wrong size. I guess I'll have to do some rewiring with those. It's not a big deal though. They just plug in on the inside. When attaching the igniter to the burner, make sure that the wire is pointing towards the end, the short end of the burner, not the long end. So it should go right into the hole then. Voila. There we go. 3 new burners. Now for these burner transfers, so the flame can transfer from one burner to the other when doing ignition. Just slips on there, throw a cotter pin in there, hold it in place. Voila, one down. Okay, now that we've got the main burners in and the cross burner connectors in, a little tip I've heard is if you spray some vegetable oil over these burners, it will help you get an extra season or two out of your burners without them rusting so quickly. Right now I'm only getting about 2 seasons previous to this on a single set of burners before they burn out, so this should give me 3 to 4 seasons. Next, I'm just putting the burner protectors in place. And I've heard the same thing with these. You can give them a little spray. These I haven't had too much problem with. These usually last longer, but it doesn't hurt nonetheless. A little spray. Finally, I just need to put my grilling surface back on. Probably wouldn't be a bad idea to clean the grilling surface too before you put it back on. And then I'll put my upper deck back on, and we're done. Final step to fire it back up. See if she works. That sounded good. Burner transfers over good. Sounds good. We're up and running.